Now the DMG file is successfully downloaded for Appium, and let's install it. Let's open it. Move it to your applications. Let's wait. Almost done. Okay. So now let's go to our application to see if Appium is installed. Close this. Go to application. This is Appium. Double click on it to launch the GUI. Open. All right. So the look and feel is almost the same as we have seen on Windows. The host is your local host, and then the port, same Selenium, Appium server 1.9.1, and all these settings for iOS, for Android, some presets. This we're gonna take a look at it later on. Click on Start Server, and your Appium server is started. Right, this is Appium Inspector that we're going to look at it later on. But this is your latest Appium GUI, the Appium server. Right, so you can check for the updates. This should be the latest one, so there should not be any update available. Right, so these are a couple of the things. Then we're gonna work with Appium GUI, as well as we will be installing Appium through Node as well, right? So in order to install it through Node, I mean, you should be doing both the configurations. So installing through Node is again very simple task. Just copy this, go to your terminal and paste, press enter. So see, the installation was very quick, and Appium it is showing 1.3.4. This could be a reason. I mean, if I say Appium version, it shows the previous version of Appium on my machine. So let me try uninstalling this. Uninstall -g Appium @ 1.3.4. Probably didn't uninstall, but npm install -g Appium @ 1.9.1. Okay, looks like some issue. There's an error trying to install Chrome binary. And looks like it has gone in an infinite loop. Okay, so what we're gonna do in this lecture, we have seen how we have successfully configured the Appium GUI component. In the next lecture, we're gonna troubleshoot around this error, and we're gonna fix it, and we're gonna install Appium through the Node program itself. All right, thank you.